Okay, here we are. Quiz 10, question number 3. Determine the single equivalent rate of discount for the discount series 22%, 15%, and 8%. All right, so let's go here and we will do just that. So before we do that, let's look at what the formula sheet says for equivalent discount. So we are, okay, sorry, I am wrong here. This is incorrect. That was from the previous question. So let's go back and get the question here. So let's copy and let's paste and see what works better. Yes, it works a lot better. So we have a single equivalent rate of discount. So if we go to the formula sheet, this is what will come of it. Okay, so we have 3 discounts, D1, D2, and D3. All right, but I did have some information already. So this one is not the one we need right now. So let's eliminate that one and maybe we could put it somewhere else further down in the event that we need it. All right, so here we are. So that is how it goes. So what do we want to know here? Well, we have to know what D1, D2, and D3 are. So D1 is equal to 0.22, right? D2 is equal to 0.15, and D3 is equal to 0.08, which is the 22% becomes the 0.22 here. The 15 becomes 0.15 here, and 8%, we divide that by 100, we'll get 0.08. All right, so now let's insert these into this formula above here, and that should give us the answer, right? The single equivalent rate of discount. So let's do just that. And that would be equal to 1 minus 0.22, and then 1 minus 0.15, and then 1 minus 0.08. All right. So now we can go again and get this formation 1 minus. So if we go 1 minus 0.22, we'll get a number 0.78. So let's put it in brackets, 0.78, or you could use multiplication signs. The next one, 1 minus 0.15 is equal to 0.85, 0.85. And then the last one, 1 minus 0.08 is equal to 0.92. Okay, so we can do another line. D subscript E is equal to 1 minus. So let's multiply these numbers. Okay, we have the 0.92 up there. We can go from right to left. So we can multiply that by 0.85, then multiply that by 0.78, and we get a number looking like that. Okay, it looks like 0.60996. Okay, we can stop the rest of the zeros. And that in turn would be equal to, well, we could actually do a reverse and subtract 1, get an answer, and then make it positive. So the answer is 0.3900400. All right, now there might be some stipulation about the answer. So it says what? It says to round to 4 decimal places. All right, so that having been said, D subscript E would then be equal to 0.3900. That's 4 decimal places. Okay, so you could say rounded to 4 decimal places. All right, so this is indeed the answer, 0.3900. Okay, so we can put that number in here, 0.3900. Okay, 1 minus D1 was what? We have it there, 0.78. It's this number right here. Okay, there's 0.78. Next one, 1 minus D2 is 0.85. And then 1 minus D3 is 0.92. Those are these 3 numbers right here. This is 1 minus D1, this is 1 minus D2, and this is 1 minus D3. All right, so the single equivalent rate of discount is what? Well, we look at the formula, and that is DE, okay? And that is indeed what was calculated right there, correct? Yes. So the single equivalent rate of discount is what? But it's as a percent. So it'll be 39.00 if we wish. All right. So the single equivalent rate of discount, so we can say DE is a rate, so that is the same as 39%. All right, so that should be correct. All right, so let's see what the answer is. We submit, and the answers are correct. So that is quiz 10, question number 3.